She's my everything. 5 years old now, very intelligent, very inquisitive, very much wants to do her own thing.
We used a donor that we got through Known Donor Registry. We made up contracts with him and we had them notarized, and we followed everything we learned online. We thought we were pretty safe and covered.
And next thing you know, we're getting subpoenaed to go to court because he was fighting for paternity and visitation. As the non-gestational parent, this is what I was always fearing. When the judge asked, so who has the insurance for the child? And I had to raise my hand. Meanwhile, I'm in the back. I'm not even part of this petition. She said, who are you? I said, I am the other mother. That is my wife up there, Danielle. And then just looked at him and told him that she was going to have him start paying child support, that she was going to have his name put on the birth certificate and mine off. And I started to cry, and she just said to me, if you can't contain yourself, you can leave my courtroom. And I had to leave.
LeGaL called me back, Brett. He has a very calming tone. And by the time I was done talking to him, I was like, honey, I think we got a lawyer that's gonna help us. And then he secured the Kurland Group.
We've been on the attorney referral list supporting LeGaL in many ways for years. We had always known that LeGaL partnered with law firms to do pro bono work. Brett came to us and said, this case came across my desk, and I thought of you guys immediately. And we read about the case and kind of what had happened thus far and the jeopardy that this family was in. It was a no-brainer that something had to be done and that we could help. What we see in this case is that the safeguards that people felt came with marriage, it wasn't being applied equally.
It's incredibly important to have LGBT firms and LGBT-friendly firms working with organizations like LeGaL because it works on several levels. One level is obviously you're advocating with a level of excellence in terms of the jurisprudence, the legal issues, but the other issue is that you are sensitizing, you are educating the judiciary about these issues.
We're now seeing the courts connect the dots and see that a partnership is a partnership, and creating a family, with an intention of who the parents will be. It might look different from family to family, but the legal protections of the marriage are important.
It's just amazing just to see that on paper, to be recognized as my wife and our child born in our marriage.
We are so grateful that I can't even express what LeGaL and the Kurland Group has done for our family. And I know what impact it has everywhere else.